Futatsu Tsutsumi works well with a rectangular box that's not too wide. Futatsu means two in Japanese. I'm using the Pink Asanoha print from a Wagara collection. Lay a furoshiki with the printed side down and place a rectangular box in the center. Take two kitty corner ends and bring them towards the center. Cross and twist them. Don't tie them. Hold one end and take the remaining corner on the same side. Make a double knot. Repeat the same steps on the other side. Adjust the bows. Now you have a beautifully wrapped gift with a Futatsu Tsutsumi bows.